Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a soft blur effect in CapCut. So here you need to get your clips ready and then just go to video effect, basic, and then find the diamond zoom effect. So here adjust the effects, the size into 45, and then adjust the intensity into 5. Oops. Okay, and then adjust the speed into 100 and the horizontal set it into 45 and set the rotate into 50. And then after that, go back, click on the check icon and set the effect align with the video, and then just copy the effect to all of your clips. Okay, after that you are finished, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, and also leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.